Alright, so on this 2015 Durango, we got a problem with the windshield washer sprayers. As you can see, we got one spray and the other one does not spray. So we're going to take care of that today. We'll show you how and what parts you need. First thing we're going to do is come under here and pop the hood. And then right here, so you got the center bar. Right here, there is a button I'm pressing with the left side of my finger. Push that all the way over. So I was pressing this to the side to release it, and your hood will come up. And if we take a look here, this is how they're attached. They got a hose coming across, and then the windshield washer sprayer just plugs into that hose. But if you look over here, this one that is not working, it's because it's broken. So the base of it is broken right there. So we're just going to replace this. You just unplug it. We'll show you how to do that and get that old one out of there. I'm going to go ahead and replace both of them at the same time because you can get them in a single pack or a double pack. And here's the way they come from Dorman. So this is a double pack. We'll give you a link down below if you need these, but you can see you get the sprayer and it has this connector on the bottom of it. Our sprayer is what's broken right there. You can see where it is broken off. Here's the new ones. You can see these little tabs here on the side are what's going to hold it through the hood, and then right there is where we're going to plug it in. Just a little press on, sort of compression type fitting. There's the part number from Dorman. Like I said, we'll put a link down below if you need these, and you can pick them up right there from Amazon, get them shipped to your house. So to get this old one out, we just have to press in those little tabs. You're pressing on both sides. You can do it with a screwdriver if you want. I can just do it here with my fingers. So I just press those in and push up a little bit. That gets it free. Come up here on the top side and just lift it out. So I just pressed on both sides of that and then lifted it out. So then you take the new one. We're just gonna slide it in the hole there. You can see the cutout is made so that this can slide in and those tabs will hold it in place. Just press until it's snug. All right, so we got that new one in place. We're just gonna unplug this old one. It just slides out. And then you're gonna rotate this around and just slide it on. Okay, so that's the driver's side one done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side one at the same time because I got the 2-pack here. You save a little bit money if you get the 2-pack. So same thing on this side, except for this one's not broken. So we're just gonna wiggle the hose off of it here. We're gonna press up on these tabs, get that one out, come up here, grab it. That one is still good, so I'm gonna actually save it as an extra in case I have to replace one down the road. Slide that one right in. Hook back up the pipe. And those are done. So that takes, as you can see, about maybe 30 seconds for each one. Like I said, if you need parts, there's your part number. Also, the link is down below. Let's go ahead and see how they work. Whoa, ho, ho. We are back in business. All right, we are back in business. They both spray powerfully again and covering the windshield. Everything's working great. That took about maybe 5-10 minutes or so total. And those products are available from Dorman. So don't drive around with no sprayer on one side or one that doesn't work, doesn't really spray anymore. Get them replaced. We'll put the link down below if you need parts or anything like that. There's that part number once again. Links down below and in the comments. If you need any help, you got any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.